One of the most common heart valve disease we see in patients is aortic stenosis, which is narrowing of the aortic valve opening that causes slowing of a blood flow in the heart. So this narrowed valve causes the heart to work harder at pumping blood, which can lead to its weakening and ultimately heart failure and a potential death. Certain medication, lifestyle modification, maybe treat symptoms or delay major problems, but eventually the only successful treatment for aortic stenosis is aortic valve replacement. Here at Community Healthcare System, we have one of the most experienced team in the Chicagoland area to offer an innovative procedures called transcatheter aortic valve replacement, or TAVR. TAVR is a minimally invasive surgery where the damaged heart valve is replaced through a catheter that is threaded into a leg artery up to the heart. Once in place, the new valve pushes the original valve leaflets out of the way, opening the narrowed valve and regulating blood flow. Because it's minimally invasive, TAVR offers treatment of aortic stenosis for those patients who cannot withstand open heart surgery. Community Healthcare System became the first healthcare system in Northwest Indiana to perform TAVR, and we continue to be a leader, performing a high volume of these procedures every year. Our TAVR team is led by fellowship-trained interventional cardiologists and cardiothoracic surgeons, whose expertise and commitment to quality has led to excellent outcome for our patients. Our results continually exceed national benchmarks, including shorter length of stay in the hospital and dramatically low rate of complications. Our state-of-the-art hybrid operating room at Community Hospital, where we perform the TAVR, is especially equipped with advanced video integration technology that aids the team in real-time image guidance and continual medical assessment. As I mentioned earlier, if left untreated, aortic stenosis can be life-threatening. With the advanced technology of TAVR available at Community Hospital, treating this serious disease is safer and more effective than ever before, right here at home in the Northwest Indiana community.